Good morning, sir. Myself Bhavita. I am from ECE department. Today I am explaining about TRF receiver versus super heterodyne receiver in analog and digital communications. Introduction to radio receivers. Radio receivers are devices designed to pick up and process radio frequency signals in two common types are TRF, tuned radio frequency, and super heterodyne receiver. Understanding their differences helps in selecting the appropriate receiver for specific applications. Overview of TRF receiver. The TRF receiver directly amplifies the received radio frequency signals through tuned circuits. It uses multiple tuned circuits to select and amplify the desired frequency. TRF receivers are simple in design but have limitations such as the selectivity stability issues. Overview of super heterodyne receiver. The super heterodyne receiver converts the received RF signals into a fixed intermediate frequency IF. It uses a local oscillator to mix with the incoming signal to produce the IF. This design improves selectivity and sensitivity compared to TRF receivers. Tuning and selectivity in TRF. Tuning in TRF receivers involves adjusting multiple tuned circuits for frequency selection. The selectivity depends on the quality of the tuned circuits and their coupling. Precise tuning is required, which can be cumbersome and less stable over time. Replace with custom AI. Tuning and selectivity in super heterodyne. The super heterodyne uses a fixed intermediate frequency, simplifying tuning only the local oscillator and the RF front end need adjustment for tuning. It provides better selectivity and stability due to the fixed IF. Gain and amplification differences. TRF receivers amplify signals directly at RF, which can lead to instability and distortion. Super heterodyne receivers amplify signals at a fixed IF, resulting in more consistent gain. The super heterodyne amplification chain is easier to design for high performance. Image frequency and its handling. TRF receivers are more prone to interference from image frequencies. Super heterodyne receivers include circuits like filters to reject image frequencies. Proper filtering in super heterodyne improves overall reception quality. Advantages of TRF receiver. Simpler design makes TRF receivers easier to build and understand. They are suitable for basic radio applications and educational purposes. Cost can be lower for basic models, especially in low frequency ranges. Advantages of super heterodyne receiver. Superior selectivity and sensitivity due to fixed intermediate frequency, greater stability and easier tuning compared to TRF receivers. Superior selectivity and sensitivity due to fixed intermediate frequency in advantage is the one of the advantages of super heterodyne receiver. It is widely used in modern radio and communication systems for their reliability. Conclusion and final comparison. The conclusion of a TRF receivers and versus super heterodyne receiver. TRF receivers are simpler but less stable and less selective than super heterodyne receivers. Super heterodyne receivers offer better performance but are more complex in design. For most advanced and reliable radio applications, super heterodyne receivers are preferred. Thank you for giving this opportunity.